up, what is going on every single person in the planet of Earth? My name is Firmuzwan, and today's video we are going to unbox Smart Balance Wheel, or it is well known as Hoverboard. First we're gonna look through the box. It says Smart Balance Wheel new. At the other side it says Smart Balance Wheel, and with the perimeter down in the middle it says maximum load 100 kg, max speed 10 km per hour, maximum mileage 15.20 km, and tire size 170 mm, lithium battery 36 volt 4400 mAh. And the back side of it is just the same as the front. Smart Balance Wheel new, and the figure of the balance wheel itself. At the bottom we have nothing, and on the top here it says Smart Balance Wheel new. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, when you first open it up you're gonna see the battery. It comes in this plastic bag. The battery is slightly bigger than a laptop battery, and here is the information of the battery. Plug this to the balance wheel to charge it. This is how it looks like. It has 3 holes, and this is the cable. They use the international cable. I don't use this one, it's not available in my country. We just plug this together. Boom, reveal the beast. Look at that, guys. It is so amazing. It is so beautiful. Look at the design. It is so heavy. Okay guys, this is it. I choose color white with doodle design. Is it doodle or whatever, with paintings on it? And look at that. This is the lights. When you turn it on it will be blue color light, LED light. This is the power on or off button. This is the charging port and speaker, and this is the wheel. It is a tube wheel, a wheel with tube. I choose this kind of tire because it is better than tubeless tire, because tubeless tire, the vibration of this thing will cause damage to this balance wheel. This is the pad where you guys put the foot on it to control this wheel. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. It is a very short video. I just want to show you guys this smart balance wheel that I just bought. It is a very fun thing to play with, so I suggest you, if you can afford it, just buy it. It is very cheap for the small size, and it has 3 size: small, medium and large, and this is the large size, the largest one, and it's a little expensive. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, click on the thumbs up button and subscribe. Peace.
Dolphin attack.